It's our way of staying warm. My fingers are froze. Kidz on a quest for some toys this year. They're trying to pick out some stuff for you guys. Lollipops, you think this would be a good thing for a giveaway? Not suckers, we're looking for toys. Toys, you guys, let's go. Now this place is crowded. It seems like everybody's looking for toys. They're stopping everything except for toys. Now they're sampling some. I don't think this can help us for the toys line. Guys, they're stopping everywhere. Do you think it's toys on a merry-go-round? No. Well, let's keep moving, you guys. Oh, wow. And who are you? Oh, wow.
Man, you can't climb around if you're not your guy.
You're not your guy.
My guy is able to see something.
Okay, let's go here.
Each of us has different powers and abilities, right?
Right.
I knew that.
Sure.
Okay, so in this game, let's say you were red, you want to get all of your flags. You want to get one flag on each of these planets except for Earth. So let's say you did that, then you have this cannon and you take a little thing and you want to try to shoot it so it either lands on Earth or touches it, and that's how you win. So you move around by these cards. Like this one says go to Uranus. So you would put yourself on Uranus and one of your flags. And then it would be the next person's turn, and they would remove one of your opponent's flags. So then they could take your flag off.
And you guys invented this?
Yeah.
Well, what's your name?
I'm Ruby, and this is where's Claire? Well, my partner's Claire, but I don't know where she is right now.
Yeah. And then we got little Miss Dior here who's helping us on today. Tell me if you like this baby doll. Yeah.
There's one.
Hey, get up. Good job.
Sir,
Kidz
all
Korna.
the heavy boxes on my back, boxes on my neck, crap stuff.
Earlier in the refrigerator on our back.
What Willie's
Each of us had a refrigerator on our back.
Thank you, bro.